A lot of folks suffer from a high energy burden. Electricity bills are going up. A project like this, where we are installing solar panels, so the folks that live in these houses are going to see a massive reduction in their monthly electrical bills. It puts more money back in their pockets. It's good for the climate. This is clean energy. What they don't use goes back to the grid and is used by their neighbors. This is great for these families, and it's great for the whole community.
These are all people who often don't have access to generational wealth. It's their first time owning a home, and we want to make sure that they are successful in paying off their mortgage, in building wealth for their family, in sending their kids to college.
Give Solar is a really innovative approach that really builds on community power and collaboration between organizations. It's the product of a lot of hard work. It's a great thing to see.
I just think there's a lot of donors out there who want to have this impact on the lives of hardworking Habitat for Humanity families. And solar is one of the tools to help them achieve those goals.
I have watched Give Solar in this project for a number of years, and I've seen it grow. These folks are going to own their energy, so we're here celebrating together and just watching something beautiful happen.